In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Forex.com guaranteed stop loss. If you've ever worried about sudden price gaps or slippage taking you out at a worse price than you planned, a guaranteed stop loss order, or GSLO, can give you extra protection. It ensures your position will close at the exact stop price you set, even in fast-moving or gapping markets, in exchange for a small premium. Let's walk through how to set one up from start to finish. First, place a new trade just as you normally would. Choose the market you want to trade, decide whether you're buying or selling, and enter your trade size. Before you go further, make sure your account has enough margin and that you're comfortable with the position size relative to your risk. Volatile pairs and major news events can move quickly, which is exactly why a GSLO can be helpful. Next, look for the stop loss section in the order ticket. This is where you define your risk. If you usually place a standard stop loss, the layout will feel familiar. You're simply going to enhance it with a guarantee. Now select the guaranteed stop option. This is typically a checkbox or toggle near the stop loss field. When you turn it on, the order becomes a GSLO. You'll often see a small premium displayed on the ticket. That premium is the cost of guaranteeing your exit price, and the platform will show you the amount before you confirm. Keep in mind that guaranteed stops may only be available on certain markets during specific hours, and there may be a minimum distance from the current price. If the checkbox is grayed out, check product availability, distance rules, and your trade size. Set your stop price by entering the exact level where you want your trade to close if the market moves against you. Align this with your risk tolerance, such as a fixed number of pips or a percentage of your account. Give the stop enough room to account for typical volatility and make sure it meets any minimum distance requirements shown on the ticket. Finally, review all the details and submit the order with the guaranteed stop included. After the trade is live, you should see a label confirming it's guaranteed. You can usually modify the level or size later under normal market conditions, but any changes are subject to the platform's rules and may affect the premium. That's it. By placing the trade, adding a stop loss, guaranteeing it, setting the exact level, and submitting, you've locked in a defined worst-case exit, bringing more certainty to your risk management.